Good afternoon, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths Sutra. So, today we are going to study very important topic, geometric mean of GP. Geometric mean is called GM in short. Okay. So, till now, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, subscribe it immediately. So, let's start today's topic now. So, what is geometric mean? Geometric mean or GM in short. Okay. Let A and B, okay, are two numbers, okay, then the geometric mean of or between A and B, the mean geometric mean between A and B is a number A such that A is a number G such that A, G and B, this is a GP. Okay. So two numbers A and B are given. A number between A and B such that A, G and B are in a GP. Okay. Now if A, G are in GP, obviously this implies G upon A is equal to B upon G. When A, G, B are in GP, then this number has to be non-zero. Okay. So because we are finding A, G and B, they are in GP. So what does it mean? It means A is non-zero and G has to be non-zero. Okay. G has to be non-zero. If G has to be non-zero, A has to be zero, B obviously will be non-zero. Okay. So when A, G and B are in GP, because you take any GP, these members has to be non-zero. Okay. In GP, all the elements are always non-zero. So what does it mean? It means G into G is equal to A into B. This implies G square AB. Okay. So this implies G is equal to under root AB. So geometric mean is given by this. Now square root is possible only in two cases. Number one, either they should be non-negative, both numbers. Okay. Both numbers should be non-negative. Or second, both the numbers are positive. Both the numbers are negative or both the numbers are positive. Otherwise, you cannot take a square root. Okay. So this is the so this implies the geometric mean between or of A and B is given by G is equal to under root A. So this is the formula to find the geometric mean. Okay. So let's do some example on it. Example. Find the geometric mean of 1 and 1 upon 9. Okay. Solution. So A is given here 1 and B is given 1 upon 9. So what is the geometric mean? Geometric mean G is equal to under root AB. That is 1 into 1 upon 9. Okay. So this is 1 upon. So what is the square root of this? 1 upon 6. Therefore, the geometric mean of 1 and 1 upon 9 is 1 upon 3. This is the answer. Okay. Now, what is the, I want to find n geometric means between A and B. Okay. So n number of, so I'm writing n geometric means between so first n geometric means or GM between or of A and B. How to find? The n geometric means n geometric mean means between A and B are the numbers G1, G2, G3 up to Gn such that A, G1, G2, Gn and B are in GP. Okay. So this is GP. Okay. So what is the number of terms there are, how many terms it has? There are n two terms in this GP. What is the first term? First term is A. And what is the last term? Term L is equal to B. And last term is what? That is n plus 2 term. So what is the formula of n plus 2 term? Let's say common ratio is R. So we need to find common ratio here because we do not know common ratio. If we know the value of common ratio, then we will able to find value of G1, G2, G3, Gn. Okay. So let R be the common ratio of this GP. So it is given N is equal to B is equal to N plus 2 term. So B means AR to the power N plus 2 minus 1. So B is equal to AR to the power N plus 1. Okay. So tell me what is the solve for R. We get B upon A is equal to R to the power N plus 1. So this implies R is equal to B upon A to the power 1 upon N plus 1. So this is the common ratio. Once you know first term A is known, now we have found common ratio. Now what is the G1? Because A, G1, G2, Gn and B is G1. So what will be the G1? G1 will be AR. G2 will be AR square. So what will be Gn? AR to the power N. And what will be Gn minus 1? AR to the power N minus 1. Because how a GP looks like AR square, okay, like that. So what is G1? G1 is equal to AR. Put the value of A. What is the value of R? B upon A to the power 1 upon N plus 1. What is G2? AR square. B upon A 2 to the power N plus 1. What is G3? AR cube. B upon A to the power 3 upon N plus 1. Okay. And so on. So what is Gn minus 2? AR to the power N minus 2. A B upon A N minus 2 upon N plus 1. What is Gn minus 1? AR to the power N minus 1. B upon A N minus 1 upon N plus 1. What is Gn? Gn is equal to A R to the power N. A upon B upon N upon N plus 1. So these are the formula. So these are the first. So these are the first and geometric means. So these are the first and geometric means between A and B. These are first and geometric means, or just and geometric means between or of A and B. Okay. So let's see one example, it will be clear. Example. Find first 5 geometric means between 64, okay, and 1. Solution. So 64 is given, 1 is given. So A is 64 and B is 1. So I am to find G1, G2, G3, G4, G5. Okay. So I will use direct formula. So I am to find G1. G1 formula is, so what is N here? N is 5. N is 5. Okay. What is G1? G1 is B upon A to the power 1 upon N plus 1. What is this? A, B upon A. N is here 1 upon 6. So what is this? A is 64 and 1 upon 64 to the power 1 by 6. Okay. Okay, so what is this? 64, 64. What I should write here? So 4, 4 into 4, 1 upon 2. Okay. So this is 32. Okay. So G1 is 32. Now what is G2? G2 is A, B upon A to the power 2 upon N plus 1. So 64. And this is going to be B upon going to be. So, after solving this part, you will get 1 by 2 to the power square. So 64 into 1 upon 4, that is 16. So what is G3? B upon A to the power 3 upon N plus 1. So 64. After solving, you will get 1 by to the power 3. So 64 upon 1 upon 8 is equal to 8. G4 is equal to A upon P upon A to the power 4n plus 1. So what is this? 64 1 by 2 to the power 4. So 64 16, that is 4. Okay. What is G5? Okay. A B upon A 5 to the power n plus 1. 64 into 1 by to the power 5. 64 to 1 upon 32. That is so. So first geometric means. So first 5 geometric means are first 5 geometric means are geometric means are 32. Okay. 16 8 4 2. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. So we have solved this question. Okay. So we have so in this lecture what we have learned? We have learned how to find geometric mean of A and B. Okay. So we have studied this one, and we are also find the how to find n number of geometric means between A and B. Okay. So today's lecture up to this. Okay. If you have any problem related to this, you can comment me on my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for today's lecture. Thank you.